Hey guys, welcome aboard the Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS outboard. I'm Pete Soma here at MarineMax and Brick. Let's take a look. So you can see I'm lounging on the aft-facing recliners with this beautiful tan color interior. Really nicely appointed table right here. Great spot to set down your drinks so they don't go flying all over the place. Really big swim platform, very open. Hanging off the back, we have twin Mercury 600 outboards. Right now on our port side, we have one of our beach doors folded down. This is actually mirrored on the other side. And really nicely appointed sunshade extending out in the back, covering everybody here in the rear. Let's go take a look in the cockpit. Here in the cockpit, in this beautifully appointed seating arrangement right here, super nice high gloss table. Underneath of our black hardtop, it looks really nice on the outside. Plenty of coverage from the sun. On the port side, we have two refrigerators, grill, sink, and then we actually have another ice maker on our way up to the helm. At the end of the wet bar are two beautifully appointed bar stool seats. Awesome spot here for a TV so you guys can catch the game and not miss anything out there on the water. Let's go take a look at the helm. Here at the helm, we have two Simrad displays, all of our Halo switching, our Rockford Fosgate stereo system, our throttles right here, joystick with the twin 600s, trim tabs, some of my favorite features up here, great visibility on the windshield, port and starboard opening windows, and we have a sunroof as well. Let's go check out down below. Here down below, right now I'm in the V-berth area. We have our table right here. This table can go down and we can have a little spot to sleep right here. As we make our way down though, we have a microwave, fridge, and another TV. Let's check out the head and aft stateroom. Here's our wet head, great visibility and natural light coming through. And here is our main sleeping area with additional TV. Let's go check out the bow. Making our way up to the bow, we have this really sturdy, solid windshield. Again, that'll block all the elements from coming in, but it's great access up into the bow. Continuation of this beautiful tan interior. Right now, we do have our table up here, cup holders on both sides. We can lower this, turn it into a little bit of a filler. Our windlass anchor system, all the way in the front, does have foot pedestals as well. Again, just making it a little bit easier for you to drop the anchor. All right, guys, again, this is the 42 Cruisers Yachts GLS outboard. My name is Pete Soma here at MarineMax and Brick. I'll see you on the water.